Today we'll guide you through the process of changing your name on Etsy. Let's get started. Step 1. Sign into your Etsy account. Start by logging into your Etsy account using your current username and password. Once logged in, you'll be ready to update your name. Step 2. Access your account settings. Navigate to the top right corner of the Etsy homepage where you'll see your profile icon or avatar. Click on it to open a drop-down menu, then select Account Settings from the options. Step 3. Go to Public Profile. Within your account settings, look for the Public Profile or Profile Set section. Click on it to access the page where you can manage your profile information. Step 4. Edit your name. On the Public Profile page, you'll see your current name displayed. Click on the Edit button next to your name to make changes. Step 5. Enter your new name. A form will appear where you can enter your new name. Type in the new name you'd like to use for your Etsy account. Step 6. Save your changes. After entering your new name, be sure to save your changes by clicking on the Save or Update button. Step 7. Review your profile. Once your changes are saved, review your public profile to ensure that your new name is displayed correctly. And that's it. You've successfully changed your name on Etsy. Your updated name will now be visible to other users on the platform. Thanks for watching, and don't forget to subscribe.